Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got something here for you, a real treat. Borrowed this from my neighbor. I wanted to give it a review and give it a look over. This is the Worx 40 volt 450 psi pressure washer. And we're gonna pressure wash a car here. It's got an adjustable wand on the end of it, 15, 25, 40, and then a straight shot. I did read the directions and it said you can't run soaps and fluids through this hose. Anyway, you can actually, they say you can put a water hose on here, but they don't recommend it. So it actually got a high and low switch on the top here as well. This is your trigger. Batteries are charged up. There's the battery monitor, if you can see that right inside there. I think you can see it. It's outside, so it's a little tough to see some stuff. So anyway, set that down and kind of show you what's going on here. So we're back on our Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It's a little bit dirty, and so let me show you. Bang the camera around a little bit. I've got a couple of barrels of, or 6-gallon bottles of water here. These are just your regular Blitz cans, and I'm going to put that unit right here. This strainer and everything goes down inside there, and then this is a float, looks like, and it slides up and down. So we're going to hook that into one of these bottles over here, and we're going to start working on this thing, see if we can get it clean. I apologize for the noise. It's my neighbors. They're putting up an addition on their home. Okay, water's hooked up. Now I've got this, I always have my carry-on sprayer here. This is actually called Super Clean. I think it used to be considered Castrol Super Clean, but it's not anymore. Anyway, we're going to spray this car down and see what we can do to clean it. Okay. Let me get you back down here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Maybe I'll just put you over here just a little ways, and hopefully you can kind of see what's going on. There we go. Alright, here we go. 15 degree. Okay, so that was a few minutes of running, and that's taking her down. That's 6.5 gallons is what that thing is. There's probably half a gallon left in there. So it looks like it runs about a minute per gallon or so. Let's see what it took for battery power. Oh, it's still got 4 bars. It's not the most perfect thing, but I'll tell you, it's not bad. It's got a few little pieces, but you got to remember you're cleaning with cold water and just soap. So you can see that, you know, by and large it's better than it was. It'd probably take a good 1500 to 2000 psi pressure washer to really clean this thing. And then you also risk blowing water into these connectors and things like that to partially short those out. So I say it's a win. Looks like it did a pretty decent job, all things considered. And I think it was around $200. Like I say, I borrowed it from a friend of mine and he never used it. I thought, well, maybe this is a perfect time to get it checked out. So it's the Worx WG644, 450 psi, 31 bar. It feels a little warm, but it's not too bad. It's got, looks like 4 of your adjustments. You can go to 40, 25, 15, and then that 0, which is that basically a squirt gun. All in all, I think it did pretty good. Well, anyway, back out here. It's not too cold today, but it's just windy and breezy. Anyway, I'm gonna probably wrap up things here, go throw everything back on the charger, maybe do a little bit more on another vehicle, and I might show you that one pretty soon. So anyway, I'm going to give you a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you like to, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.